What's going on, guys? Matthew here, and today we are back in another video. Sorry I haven't posted in a long time. I've been really busy, but I am back, and today we are going to be playing Destruction Simulator. So this actually is a new game, and one thing I want to show you guys. So I kind of changed up my character a little bit. So if this will ever load. Come on. This takes forever. So, okay, I'll just show you in the actual game, but guys, I bought 2 limited items. So I have I can't pronounce this first word, but emperor, here, wait, something emperor. And then we have the noob attack sword. So, guys, I'll show you when we get in the game. So this game, I've actually played it already before. Really fun. I do recommend this game. It literally, it came out a couple days ago, and it's really fun. Alright, so this is the game right here. Just press play. So guys, as you can see kind of behind here, I'll just exit out of this. But as you can see, that picture back there is really cool. Alright. So, oh my gosh, I think Patrick's playing this right now. Oh my gosh. Patrick's not playing, but his cousin's playing. Dang. I'm gonna say hi. I'm recording a video. I'm recording a video. Okay. Alright, let's see here. Patrick's gonna join soon. I'll just put okay. Alright, so guys, I'm on level 17. And I have 9,000 coins, so I can only go into this one. And the weapon I have is this little, like, chicken gun. It's funny because it makes a noise whenever you shoot it. It reloads pretty fast too, so that's good. For some reason, it was lagging really hard right there. Dang, the whole back of that house fell off. I think my OBC expires today. I'm like so sad. But I don't know if I feel like paying that much. Again, $20 for like one, just for OBC. I think I might get BC though. Builders Club, just regular. Instead of outrageous Builders Club, I'll just get regular Builders Club. Oh, gotta sell this. How much? Oh, I think the next gun's like 60,000, 65,000. Oh, hey, there's Patrick. Oh my gosh, wait, I need to tell him that I'm recording a video. Hey. I'm recording. I'm recording. Said got a gun that cost $1 million. Nice. Wonder, wait, is he on a really high level? I can't really tell. That is a pretty cool gun. Oh, my thing didn't make it. Rip. What's the hat? It's limited. It's limited. Item. It's limited item. My second one. Oh. Oh dang. So guys, the reason I did buy like a noob thing, but it was a horrible buy because what happened was I kind of try to get these to kind of like sell them in the future when they're worth more. So I bought this other one. It was like worth, I bought it for like 405 Robux, and now it's like down to 375 Robux. So that's not cool. But I did buy this one for. I bought this one for like. Oh, I just leveled up. So I bought this one for. I would say. I don't remember. I want to say like 560. Right? No, 450, I think, actually. So what happened was when I bought this, the highest point this has ever been at is like 4,500 Robux. So I'm thinking it might be able to go back to that, but I'm not sure. I'm getting a new gaming computer. Yay. So I think Patrick is going to start a new YouTube channel because he already did have a YouTube channel, but for some reason it got taken down. So that kind of sucks, but he's getting a new computer and he's going to start another YouTube channel. I think we're just going to play for a little bit more and then I'll end off the video there. But, oh dang. Alright guys, so I think that's going to end off the video there. If you guys did enjoy this video, please drop a like and subscribe. that will be greatly appreciated. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.